Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our beauty insights. Today, we're diving into a lace front wig that's been making waves, literally. We're reviewing the 30-inch highlight ombre lace front wig in HD Honey Blonde. This wig is designed with 13 by 6 HD transparent lace, giving you a generous parting space of 6 inches. It's made from 12A grade, unprocessed virgin human hair, which means you're getting 100% real hair. The wig boasts 180 density for a full, thick look and is tangle-free and shed-resistant. It's available in a gorgeous honey blonde shade, a blend of 427, which should give you that sun-kissed ombre look. In terms of versatility, this wig doesn't disappoint. It can be styled in different ways: middle part, side part, or even half up and half down. If you're into ponytails or buns, this wig cap comes with adjustable straps and combs to make it easier to achieve those styles. The 13 by 6 lace frontal is pre-plucked, so you'll have a more natural hairline with baby hairs around it. Plus, the knots are bleached for that seamless finish. So what was my experience with this wig? First of all, installing it was surprisingly easy. The lace front fits comfortably on the head, and the cap size, 21.5 to 22.5 inches, should suit most people. The hair feels soft and bouncy right out of the box. No weird smell, which is always a plus with human hair products. The natural-looking ombre and honey blonde hues blend perfectly for a vibrant yet soft look. Now let's talk about performance. I wore this wig on a few different occasions, from daily wear to an evening event, and I found that it held up well. The 13 by 6 lace offers a nice deep part, and I was able to style it in various ways with no issues. Whether I wore it in a ponytail or just let the curls fall naturally, it held its shape beautifully. The hair is definitely tangle-free, and I didn't notice any shedding. But a heads up, the hairline could use a bit of fine-tuning for some to get the most natural look, especially around the temple area. As far as cons go, there's not much to fault. If I had to nitpick, the cap size might be a bit snug for those with larger heads, and the wig does require a little upkeep, like any lace front wig. You'll need to give it some TLC when it comes to cleaning and conditioning to maintain that shine and bounce. When considering value for money, I'd say it's in line with other wigs in this category. You're paying for a quality, 100% human hair piece that's versatile and durable. Sure, it's not the cheapest option, but if you're looking for a wig that delivers on thickness, style, and longevity, this is a solid choice. Comparing it to other wigs on the market, this one stands out due to its HD lace and natural-looking ombre effect. While some similar wigs might offer similar features, the 13 by 6 lace front and pre-plucked hairline make this one a bit more special. If you're looking for something that feels premium without the luxury price tag, this wig holds its ground. The build quality is top-notch, with well-constructed lace and thick, healthy strands. I haven't had it long enough for long-term durability testing, but based on its feel and the materials used, I'd expect it to last with proper care. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had to reach out, but the brand's reputation for customer service seems solid. They offer a lot of helpful information on installation and maintenance, which is great for first-time wig buyers. So, should you get this wig? If you're looking for a high-density, versatile lace front wig with a beautiful ombre effect and real human hair, this could be an excellent option. It's especially great for those who want to experiment with different styles, whether it's for a special occasion or just to feel fabulous every day. If this review helped you, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or already own this wig, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining with Beautyistic.